Without hesitation, I would recommend Holly Atkins Law Firm. She very specifically is not only has her finger on the pulse of what's going on with workers' comp cases, but she has an ability to listen to you and hear what your problem is, and then prioritize and work on it.
When you've been hurt on the job, the first thing you need to do is tell your employer, report it immediately. And if then your claim is denied for reasons that you can't understand, and all of a sudden maybe you're not working, they're not letting you work, that happens sometimes too. People will get let go or fired when they report an injury. If you have been hurt, you are not receiving the benefits that you're entitled to receive, nobody's calling you to find out if you need to go to the doctor, then you need to hire a lawyer. It's unfortunate. A lot of people don't want to hire a lawyer. They think their employer is just going to take care of them because they've been loyal employees. And unfortunately, sometimes the employer may even want to take care of you, but the insurance carrier doesn't, and they deny your claim. And when that happens, you need to hire a lawyer, and you need to do it quickly.
The insurance company treated me like I was, just nothing. They didn't care about me. All they cared about is what they were going to get out of it, what they had to do. And I'm a human being too. I want to be where I was at before. I want to feel confident and be myself, and I couldn't do that.
The insurance companies, they don't care about you. They're out for themselves to get what they want. If they can cut you off, they'll cut you off. You need someone in your corner to stand up for you and be on your side, be your team player. And that office over there is a team player. And I love to be on that ball club anytime, and I enjoy being on that ball club.
In the past, I had early in my career represented insurance carriers, and that was a great experience because it helped me learn what they were looking for. It helped me understand what they were thinking, how they were analyzing cases, and that ability helps me to do a better job for my clients now on the injured worker side. And it was great being on the commission because I got to see both sides of every argument. I did it for 4 years, tried hundreds of cases. All of these experiences work together to make us a better workers' compensation law firm.
I came in literally bruised and battered legally and physically. I didn't know where to turn. I didn't know what was in my future, and I was desperate. Holly sat down, talked with me for a few minutes. She took notes. She looked me in the eye and said, "I can help you."
She offered to come to my home and sit down and talk with me. You don't get that. And you're talking about customer service. I've been in the customer service business for 21 years. And when you get that and you feel it, you know it's genuine.
My staff provides the best, bar none, customer service. They answer their telephones. They return their telephone calls. They know the law. They can answer a lot of the questions that the clients have without having to even interrupt me because they know the law. They have over 30 years experience between them in just workers' compensation.
A professional operation. That's the way I see it. Very professional and with a little personal touch.
Whenever I had questions about my case, and I said, I've got issues, I don't understand what's going on. If I called her that day or I emailed her that day, I had a response that day.
I want to get back to work. I want to be back where I was at before this happened. And Holly's law firm has helped me feel more confident in what I'm doing. Everything that I've been through, they've been through this with me.
But she was there to take charge because she knew what she was doing. She'd been down that road before.
I believe that when people leave the Atkins Law Firm, they have a good feeling. They've been taken care of, they feel better, they're going back to work, they're dealing with their situation, and we've given them the tools they need to do that.
Right then and there, when she said, "We can do this," I knew we were a team.